This time on Road and Race, I explain why I chose a Hormann door for my garage and go through its top features. In the previous video in this series, I detailed the installation of a car lift into my garage and went through how it all works. In this video, I'll be explaining why I chose a Hormann garage door and go through some of its main features and options. Hello and welcome to Road and Race. This is my first video shooting in my new car garage, so very exciting stuff. Anyway, onto the garage door. So let's start with its construction. This door developed and built in Germany. It's also made of aluminium, so hopefully it shouldn't rust. Insulation. So insulation was a big factor in choosing the right door for this garage. Because I need the headroom, it left me with very few options really. I mean, a sectional door or an up and over door could be insulated a bit more than what I've got, which is a roller door, but as I said, not enough space, so we've got what we've got. Luckily, the door is insulated to some extent. It's each panel polyurethane foam inside it, so they won't give you a U value per se for the door, but it's nice to know it's insulated as much as it could be really. So one of the big features of this garage door is that it has a spring counterbalance. Now that has two advantages. One, it makes the door quite balanced, light, so that it reduces wear and tear on the motor. And also, if you ever do have a power cut and need to open the door manually, you don't need a crank or anything like that. You can just pull it up and down in quite a smooth motion. Warranty wise, you get a 10-year warranty on the safe functioning of the door and 5 years on the springs, rollers, hinges and return pulley. Also, the door comes in a choice of 12 colours. Onto operation. There's one simple button to open the door and it comes with a light as well. You get two remote controls with it as standard, each one radio controlled. You can open it from a huge distance. You can open this garage door from like my house and it's about 40 or 50 meters away. It's ridiculous. And you've got 4 buttons on it, so you've got 4 doors. You can have one for each button. One of the main safety features of this door is that it has a pressure sensor. So when the door's closing, if there's anything in its way, it will sense that and stop, so it won't crush you accidentally. Other doors have similar features but work on a little laser which is attached to the bottom of the door, which has its disadvantages, you know, because if anything breaks that beam, the door will stop. So if it's rainy or if there's leaves or whatnot. So Hormann say this is a better solution. I tend to agree with them. The door just runs on a standard 13 amp plug, so no special power requirements or anything like that there, just plug it straight in. Another advantage of this door is that its motor is external, so it just helps with heat if you're using it a lot. I mean, it shouldn't overheat anyway, but again, helps with the long-term life of the motor. It's also very quiet actually. It's not a very loud door. You can open it at night and you're not worried about disturbing the neighbours or anything like that. On to number 3, options. Quite a lot of options for this garage. I will tell you what I've got. I went for the alarm option, wasn't too expensive. I think it's like £80 off the top of my head. And if somebody tries to force the bottom of the door up, it will sound an alarm. It's an incredibly loud alarm, 110 decibels. It's deafening. What's good about the door though is it's all interlocking. So even if you try and force the door, you won't get it that far and then the alarm will sound. So it's not like they've gained entry. They'll only get the door up a little bit if at all, and the alarm will go off. So that acts as quite a good deterrent. Another option I got was this car remote. So this plugs in your cigarette lighter. It's got a little rechargeable lithium-ion battery in it, so that gets topped up when the car's running, and you just push this button and you can open your garage door. Other options available, you can get an app for your smartphone if you want to remote control the garage that way. I thought that was kind of overkill for my needs. You can get a battery backup, so there's a power cut, you can run off battery for up to 5 door opens. And if you want an outside panel to open the door, you can get one with a pin pad, like a 4 or 6 digit pin. I'm not sure how long it is, but yeah, you can type in a pin number. You can just have a standard key or fingerprints. Eh? How about that? I got this door from a company called Eastern Garage Doors. They sell a selection of doors from different manufacturers, and they helped me find the door that suited my needs the best. Overall, very happy with their knowledge and service, especially the installation guys who were very friendly. If you need a garage door, then you can use my code ROAD'N'RACE to get 10% off. So there you are, that's just a few features of the garage door I wanted to kind of point out without waffling too long about it. Hope you found that interesting. If there's anything I didn't cover, or if you have any questions, leave it in the comments section and I'll try my best to get the answers for that. Instagram, I'm posting every day to Instagram now, so please check me out, Road and Race TV on there. It's kind of like a daily kind of vlog, just what I'm doing every day, behind the scenes stuff, all my repairs. Yeah, I've been doing it for a few days now, so check that out. Next week, very exciting, the next video will be a big tour of this garage, going through everything I've got in here, all the tools, equipment, everything I've put in my drawers, all that kind of stuff. So look forward to that one. And as usual, thanks for watching.